أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين وآله الطيبين الطاهرين ولعنة الدائمة على أعدائهم أجمعين إلى يوم الدين. أما بعد فقد قال الله الحكيم في كتابه الكريم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر صدق الله العلي العظيم. So inshallah today we will be moving on in part 7 of unit 1 of Kitab al-Sarf. So, inshallah, without any summaries, we will start directly today. If you haven't seen the previous lessons about Fa'il al-Majhul, about I'rab al-Fa'il, about Nafi al-Fa'il, about Fa'il al-Mudari, about Fa'il al-Madi, you should first watch those lessons so you can learn it step by step. Starting right away with part 7, Al-Amr and Al-Nahi. So last time we did al-amr, we will just summarize this. Al-amr is the imperative tense used to issue a command. For example, isbir, be patient. Al-amr is made from al-mudari. However, since you can only directly command someone who is in front of you, then the al-amr sigha only occurs when in the sighas of mukhatab. This is formed by doing three things. Number one, removing the hurf mudari. Number two, adding the temporary harakat, which is hamzatul wasl at the beginning. And then number three, making the verb majzoom. You turn it into jazm. So taf'alu changes to if'al, taf'alani changes to if'ala, taf'aluna changes to if'alu, taf'alina changes to if'ali, and taf'alani again changes to if'ala, and taf'alna remains if'alna. The if'alna has the noon niswa at the end, which is here in the purple color, and this noon will never be dropped, okay, because it is the alamat of jama muannas. Then here we discussed about let me read the phrase also to summarize it. The hamzatul wasl placed at the beginning of al-amr will carry a kasra unless the ain kalima of the fi'l al-mudari has a dhamma. In that case, the hamzatul wasl will have a dhamma. So taftahu changes to iftah, tasbiru changes to isbir, and tansuru changes to unsur. Now here the swad has a dhamma because it is from bab nasara yansuru. So yansuru changes to unsur, yakrumu changes to ukrum, and so on. Then the second point, a hamzatul wasl only carries a fatha, kasra, or dhamma when it comes at the very beginning of a sentence. So if it does not comes at the very beginning of the sentence, then it will not be pronounced, it will be skipped. Just when we read the Quran, we say if'al, or we say waf'al, or we say faf'al, summaf'al. So all these examples were presented in the last lesson. So افتح افتحا افتحوا افتحي افتحا افتحنا اسمع اسمعا اسمعوا اسمعي اسمعا اسمعنا اضرب اضربا اضربوا اضربي اضربا اضربنا انصر انصرا انصروا انصري انصرا انصرنا and ukrum ukruma ukrumu ukrumi ukruma ukrumna. Then we did the exercises. Now in today's lesson, this is the part B of part 7b. So this is about an-nahi. An-nahi is a negative command, and the example is la takzib. La takzib, don't lie. This is formed by al-mukhatab of al-mudari. Like we took the mukhatab forms in to form the fi'l al-amr. Likewise, we will take the mukhatab to form the fi'l al-nahi. So same will apply. The first thing, making the verb majzoom. The last letter of the verb itself would be majzoom. It will have a jazm at the end. And placing a la nahi before it. So la can be a la nahi, la nahiya, as I have explained last time, that there is one la that is called, or let me explain it again, please. This is a very, very, very important point, and most of the students are confused in this. La yadribu. La yadribu. This is not an imperative, this is a khabar. This is a news. La yadribu. Wo nahi marega. He will not hit, or he does not hit. La yadribu. This la is called la nafiyah. La nafiyah means a negating law. Something did not happen, or something will not happen, or something is not happening, or someone is not doing this thing, right? So this is a report, this is a news, this is a khabar. La nafiya khabariya, also called la nafiya khabariya, right? The second law is the la nahiya. La nahiya. La tadrib, don't hit. La tadrib, don't hit. This is a la nahiya. Nahiya means it is doing the nahi thing. So la nahiya is la nahiya inshaiya. La nahiya is a inshaiya. I am telling you not to hit. So you should not hit, right? So la nahiya. And the third law is called la nafiyul jins. This law is is followed by an ism like la ilaha. So here the ism would be mansoob. La ilaha illallah. So this law is called la nafiyul jins. Nafiyul jins means that you are saying that this jins does not exist. For example, the opposite of insan is la insan. The opposite of haywan is la haywan. The opposite of egg is la egg. The opposite of plate is la plate. Like anything that is except that. So you use the word la, which is called la nafiyul jins, to negate a noun, to negate a noun that it's not that, right? Here in our lesson today, we have the la nahiya. We are telling someone not to do that. So whenever you have a la nahiya, it makes the fail majzoom. It turns the fail into a majzoom. For example, the word taf'alu changes to taf'al, and because of this la taf'al. And taf'alane changes to la taf'ala, and we drop the noon Arabi here. And the taf'aluna changes to la taf'alu, and the noon Arabi gets dropped because of the jazm. And then the word taf'alina changes into la taf'ali because we drop the noon Arabi to make it majzoom. And then we have taf'alane again, which changes to la taf'ala. So both these sigas are different, are the same. Siga number 2 and siga number 5 are the same. And at the last one, taf'alna changes to la taf'alna, because we cannot drop this noon. This is a noon niswa. This is not the noon Arabi. So we cannot drop that to make it sakin. And the second thing is that it is mabni. It never changes. So you cannot say la taf'aln, like not that, because the fatha at the noon niswa is a mabni. It does not change. Okay, it is the alamat of the noon niswa for jama muannas. Practice verbally conjugating following verbs or verbs of an-nahi. Thereafter, fill in the table below. So I will do it first to make it very clear for everyone. La tas'alu. La tas'al, sorry. La tas'al. Mat pucho. Don't ask. La tas'al. Don't ask. La tas'al, la tas'ala, la tas'alu, la tas'ali, la tas'ala, la tas'alna. The second example, la tahzan. Don't be afraid. لا تحزن لا تحزنا لا تحزنوا لا تحزني لا تحزنا لا تحزن. لا تظلم. Don't do zulm. Don't do oppression. Don't oppress. Don't do zulm. So لا تظلم لا تظلما لا تظلموا لا تظلمي لا تظلما لا تظلمنا. تخرج changes to لا تخرج. لا تخرج. Don't come out. لا تخرج لا تخرجا لا تخرجوا لا تخرجي لا تخرجا لا تخرجنا. لا so تفحش 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 changes to لا تفحش, like don't say slander. बकवास मत करो जिसको कहते हैं ना. Don't say bad words. لا تفحش, don't say fush, don't say um, inappropriate things. لا تفحش لا تفحشا لا تفحشوا لا تفحشي لا تفحشا لا تفحشنا. So all the variation is according to the person to whom you are speaking, right? To whom you are speaking. If you are speaking to one man, you will say la tas'al. If you are speaking to two people, you will say la tas'ala. If you are speaking to many people, you say la tas'alu. If you are speaking to a lady, you say la taf'ali, la tas'ali. If you are speaking to many ladies, you say la tas'alna. But when you come to the translation, it always translates to don't ask. Don't ask. Don't ask. So all the translation, whenever you are translating a fi'l amr, you have to keep in mind that you cannot express it in English. You can write at the beginning like you all, or you one person, or you all ladies, or you all men, or you both men, or you both ladies, but that is unnecessary when you are translating it. Okay, so you will be translating according to the persons, but the translation will be the same. La tahzan means do not fear, डरो नहीं. अब एक बंदे को कहना हो तो भी हम कहते हैं डरो नहीं, सब बंदों को कहना हो तो भी हम कहते हैं डरो नहीं. लेकिन अरबिक में इस तरह नहीं है. अरबिक में अकॉर्डिंग टू द मुखातिब यू विल बी गिविंग दीज कमांड्स. ओके, सो सिस्टर सईदा, you will tell me the sigha and the translation. Can you do it? Are you, inshallah, are you ready to do it?
Yes, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, just a second. La takzibi.
La takzibi. Don't lie.
Don't lie. Very good. Don't lie. You can add a bracket in the beginning. You lady, don't lie. Right? But normally this would be the translation that you see. Don't lie. Okay? The person is not mentioned in the translation. Usually it's not mentioned. Okay? If you want to mention, you can just write a bracket before it. You lady, you man, you both, you all ladies, you all men, right? You can add it in the beginning. Okay, la taj'alu.
Don't make.
Don't make. So this is jama
muzakkar.
You all. Either it is men or it is ladies or it is mixed together.
Yes.
لا تجعلوا مع الله إلها آخر ولا تجعلوا مع الله إلها آخر. So when you say ولا تجعلوا and do not make,
mischief or something.
مع الله with Allah, إلها آخر, another other gods. Don't make other gods but Allah. لا تجعل.
Don't make.
Don't make again. Very good. Don't make. Same thing. La taj'al, don't make. For one person. You one person don't make. La tas'alu.
Don't ask.
Don't ask. Very good. Don't ask.
It's a jama muzakkar.
Yes, jama muzakkar. You can add a bracket in the you people don't ask. And this is not only used for muzakkar. Okay, if you have a mix of ladies and gents, you will use the same sigha, la tas'alu. Okay, it is not specific to masculine. It is not specific to muzakkar. Muannas can also be included. But if you have only a group of ladies, like sisters or aunties or mummies, right, or grandmas or lady teachers, right, then you will use the noon fatha with the noon niswa. La tahzanu wa la tahzanu.
And don't
fear.
Fear.
And do not fear.
Yes.
You people. You people. So people can be men or women or together. But if it is a specific group of women, then we say لا تحزن. لا تحزن. That's another one. Now here it is لا تحزن. How do you translate it?
Don't fear.
Don't fear again. For you.
For feminine.
No. This is تحزن. This is not يحزن. This is تحزن. Okay.
Oh,
So
thousand, yeah,
تحزن
man.
it is before the خاطب. أنت لا تحزن. أنت لا تحزن. You don't fear. أنت لا تحزن. चलो जी आगे बढ़ते हैं. لا تحزني. Yes. لا تحزني. So this is again.
Don't fear.
You don't fear for you, lady. You lady,
Yeah.
don't fear. Right? So this is anti. Anti la tahzani. Anti. Anti la tahzani. Okay. And then la tadribu.
لا تضربوا
Don't hit. You all. You all don't hit. So this is antum. Antum la tadribu. क्लियर हो रहा है सिस्टर सईदा? आप थक गई हैं क्या?
नहीं बिल्कुल क्लियर है, बिल्कुल क्लियर है.
ग्रेट. पहले देखते हैं अगर कोई और हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं तो हम उनको चांस देते हैं.
शायद ज़ैनब है.
आ गई है ज़ैनब? नहीं, सिर्फ ज़ैनब ही है. ओके. ओके ज़ैनब. ला तज़लिमना.
Don't oppress for Jama Muannath Hadir.
Don't oppress. Right? Don't oppress for antunna.
Yeah.
Antunna. And antunna translates to you all
Female.
ladies.
Yeah.
Because when we are talking to a group of ladies, then we use this sigha. La tazlimna. Noon niswa at the end. Antunna la tazlimna. Okay, so number 10. La tazlimu.
Same, don't oppress for Jama Mudhakkar Hadir. Hum la
Yes.
tadlimu.
Hum la tazlimu. MashaAllah, very good. Zainab can, mashallah, now she can teach. Alhamdulillah. Hum la tazlimu. Alhamdulillah. No, I encourage you to teach the basic concepts, because when you teach something, then you learn it exactly.
Yeah, no, that's true. Thank
La
you.
takhruja.
Don't leave. Exit.
Don't come
Don't
out.
exit.
Don't exit. You both.
You both, yes.
You both don't exit. So this is a clear sign that la takhruja was actually la takhrujani.
Takhrujani.
Good. And the noon Arabi gets dropped. Okay. La taqtulu.
Hum la taqtulu. Don't kill.
Don't kill. So you all don't kill. Actually, it was la taqtuluna, and when it is majzoom, it changes to la taqtulu. The noon Arabic gets dropped. Okay, so that's it for today, I think. So sallallahu ala Muhammadin.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin.
माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा आपने सिखाया.